Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Flynn and I am the owner and maker of Flynn Sisters Boutique. And in today's video, I want to tell you all about my trip to Pennsylvania for the Great American Craft Expo. So it was last weekend. It was June 10th through the 12th. It was a 3-day event and oh my goodness, we had so much fun. I want to start this video by giving a huge thank you to the Glitter Guy and their staff for putting on such a great convention. They put out so much work to get this all together. I know that they've been working super hard and everything went so well. Our classes went by really smoothly. It seemed like everybody was having a good time. I was having a great time. Definitely one of the highlights of my trip was getting to know some of you. A lot of you guys came out to this event. I got to hug all of you guys. I got so many great pictures with you all. And it was just a joy to sit down and chat with some of you, have you guys in my class, give you hugs. I got to meet some of your kids, which was like such an honor and a blessing. And you know, it was crazy because so many of you said like how much I've done for you or how much my videos meant to you. And I just kept wanting to say like, you guys do so much more for me, truly. There's no way I could have gotten through those past couple of years through the pandemic without you guys and the channel. And I guess you don't realize how much, you matter in somebody's life until you get to see each other face to face at an event like this. And it just puts everything into perspective. Like I said, I've been so sheltered since I've started my career on YouTube. I never get out. I've never got to really meet any of you guys in person. So this was huge. I cannot wait to do more events like this. Please believe Flynn Sisters is going on the road. I'm going to go to as many of these events as I possibly can get to because the highlight of my whole career doing this YouTube was getting to meet you guys. I also realized that I absolutely love teaching in person. That was so much fun. I could do that every weekend. I could teach classes in person every weekend with you guys and just have such a great time. I've got another event coming up in Orlando that I will put the details for down below. That will be in mid-July. Again, see the dates and the details down below in the description box. But this event was just so much fun. And again, you know, the Glitter Guy, I cannot tell you guys enough like how much I appreciated you inviting me and throwing this event. There were so many great presenters there. I got to meet Taylor from Duncan's Custom Airbrush. Taylor is such a sweetheart. And I have to tell you guys, Taylor is 100% exactly how you would think he is in real life as he is online. I mean, he's such a genuine person. He is such a sweetheart, so much talent, and he just I know he loves this community just as much as I do. I also got to meet Courtney Customs on YouTube. She was fantastic. Her and her husband were so sweet. I got a lot of time to chit chat with them as they stopped through. I got to meet Alicia, and she is such a sweetheart. She's on YouTube as well. I just met so many of you. I wish I could list you all. I can't remember everybody because I got so overwhelmed and I saw so many people. It was like by the second and third day, I forgot who I'd already talked to. I mean, it was so fun. When I got home, I did sleep for like a full day. And just kind of isolated because I was very much peopled out. In my real life at home, I'm, you know, pretty much a homebody. I don't leave or socialize very much because I'm just so busy working. So this really took a lot out of me, but it was totally worth it. We are so excited to see some of you guys again at the next event. But anyway, in this video, I just want to show you some of the highlights from the trip, tell you more about, you know, what we did at the convention. I taught 2 different classes. We did like a vinyl half wrap, and then I did a summer gypsy leopard design. And the classes were a little bit tough because we couldn't use epoxy. So that was a little bit of a challenge. We had 90 minutes, but the most important thing to me in those classes was number one, being able to spend more focused time with some of you, and number two, kind of elaborate on some of my techniques and tricks and things that I don't always get to elaborate on in my videos, or maybe I forget to include in my videos. And then answer some of your questions live while you have me there face to face. I just really love teaching in a classroom setting. So that was fantastic. So that's enough chit chat. Let me take you through some of my footage and my favorite photos from this weekend. Right, so my journey started Thursday morning, June 9th at 6:52 a.m., getting ready for my flight. Of course, you know, I had to stop and pet my kitties quite a bit. I am not a morning person, so this was definitely a rough start. My plane took off at 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and we didn't touch down till 9 p.m. in Philly because the 3-hour time difference. I was flying in from Washington State, so you're looking at about 5.5-hour flight. Here's my hotel room at the Valley Forge Casino where I stayed for the weekend. It was an okay room. It was nice. It did smell like marijuana through the whole hotel, which was weird. Next morning I got ready. Here's a little fit check. We went to Founding Farmers for brunch with my friend Julie and Amber. We had a lovely late brunch / lunch kind of deal. And then we were off to the expo. When I got there, I was so excited. I meant to take way more footage of everyone's booth, but I forgot. This is Sarah's booth with Banff Custom Creations, longtime supporter of our channel. Absolutely love her. This was the first class that I taught on Friday. This was the vinyl half wrap where we did the 3 colored glitter sections in the vinyl on the other half. The class went absolutely fantastic. I had so much fun. I figured out that I really love teaching in person so much more than teaching on video. Everybody was so nice. I just absolutely loved it. Then on Saturday, we did a Tumbler showdown with Shannon from Shanta's Workshop and Taylor Duncan, of course, from Duncan's Custom Airbrush. So much fun. Here's what I created. We had an hour and some limited supplies to create a tumbler. Mine was a hot mess, but oh my gosh, how fun. There's Shelly in the back. Love her. We just had so much fun with that little competition. This was my second class. This was the Gypsy Leopard class. I didn't get any video from that, but look at all my FSX sisters. Loved everybody in this class. So much fun to meet everybody. Here are some of my favorite pictures. I absolutely adore all of you guys. Everyone was so kind to me. I wish I could have just spent so much more time with everybody, but you guys, like, I was exhausted. I mean, I have a lot of social anxiety, okay? But I met all my besties there. Kelly, Lisa, you guys, I've known them for years, and what a treat it was to meet them finally and squeeze them. But yeah, these are all my favorite pictures, or at least the ones that I have on my phone from this weekend. I have so loved seeing everybody's pictures from the event. You guys are absolutely beautiful and amazing. Thank you so much, Flynn Sisters community, for showing out, and everybody else I got to meet there. And again, thank you so much to the Glitter Guy for hosting such a fantastic event. We just had a blast. I cannot wait for the next one, which rumor has it might be in Atlantic City. I hope to see more of you down there next year. That's going to be so much fun. That's it for this video. Just kind of short and sweet. I wanted to take you through some of the highlights of my trip. I had such a good time. I can't wait to do it all again. Here is some footage of me leaving Pennsylvania and then touching down in SeaTac Airport in Seattle. Love you guys. Thank you so much. And a big thank you to all of our Flynn Sisters exclusive members. Thank you for your pledge. Your support means the world to our channel. If you love this video, you could check out our last video here. Also be sure to find us on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and of course subscribe for all our new videos that come out every Wednesday and Saturday. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.